is peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is a very beautiful bird. It has two legs, two eyes, colorful feathers and long neck. It has crown on its head. It dances in rainy season. It lives in forest and grassy areas. It eats fruits, grapes and insects. It cannot fly very high. The female peacock is called pigeon. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Bhavan. My topic is pigeon. Pigeon is a beautiful and sensitive bird. It is in grey and white in color. Pigeons eat wheat and rice. Pigeons have red eyes. Pigeons can fly very high. Thank you. My name is Arnavi. I am studying in LKG. My topic is parrot. Parrot is a pet bird. Parrot is a very beautiful. It talks like man. It lives and lives. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Aradhya Sannidhi from UKG. My topic is hen. Hen is a domestic bird. It is seeds, grains and small insects. It is lays eggs. It is live in a coop. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Nihal. My topic is sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. It has strong beak. These are red and brown color. Thank you. Hi friends, good morning. I am Shraddha. Today my topic is crows. Crows are very clever birds. They are in black colors. Crows make a raspy and odd sound. They are eating variety food. They are found everywhere on the earth. Thank you friends. Good morning everyone. My name is Manvi. Today I am talking about crows. Crows are black birds. Crows are very smart. Crows eat cow. Crows eat fruits and grains. Thank you. My name is Tutti. My topic is parrot. It's in color. It has red beak. Thank you. My name is Adya. I'm studying LKG. My topic is kingfisher. Kingfisher is a colorful bird. They have big head